Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do something special, guys. This path here, street, lane, route, whatever you wanna call it, there's no name. But that building back there is Google or Google. It's the 540 Washington. So what I'm gonna do is something different, guys, because this is again, and this is a piece of gem right here. This is a gem of New York City. Now, before we leave, guys, again, this one has no name. It's just Google, because that's the Google building here on the right, and to the left is a sanitation department. So it's sandwiched between the two of them. So before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. Again, that is the Google building, 540 Washington. And that's a nice spot back there. And then you have your colorful rainbow of storage in there. And it gets really gray and, you know, back there. Anyways, okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do is this. Since this is not a actual street, I'm gonna go to the right through the little path back there, and then I'm gonna come back through here, because this is really cool, man. Again, that's Google, and that's a sanitation department. So basically, this path here is sandwiched between Washington Street heading south, Washington Street heading north, and back there is West Street, guys, and beyond it is the river, and beyond it is New Jersey. And we start the journey now. So basically, guys, again, I said I was gonna do this one from like maybe 3 weeks ago, close. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go slow, but first I'll just see what it has, guys. Check it out. Let me go in the middle here and let me show you. It's got some cables up there, guys, like some sort of support. See, some sort of support. And these cables are really, you know, they're really strong. Anyways, so we go back here, and I'm gonna show you right now the path. Again, this is really cool stuff, man. And again, just like the other two streets, it is hidden. It's just sandwiched between two buildings. But it's really cool. See, you got the name Google. That's in Spanglish. Now, before we move on, see, that's Google. Now let me go around, guys, and show you. Check out this beautiful spot, guys. Check out this beautiful spot right here. And again, I like the when they put, like, well, these are not actual rocks. Those are actual rocks, and these are like modernized rocks, like in rock and roll and stuff like that. Now, so you see, we keep going here, guys. We keep going here. This is really nice. Again, this is Google building, and this is the St. John's terminal, St. John the Baptist terminal. And we keep going this way, guys. Check it out, guys. See, this is what I like about this, man. This is nice. This is really cool. Like some parks have this too, like the floor. They have this. Oh, check it out. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Oh, in the middle of nowhere, you got these beautiful flowers. They're fading away already, and I don't know what this is, but this is nice. I like this. And we keep going this way, guys. I'm gonna try to stretch this as much as I can, guys. This is really nice. And then we come through the path here, guys. Again, I like stuff like this, man. Plants, rocks, heavy metal, stuff like that. Coming up at Google path, Google route to West Street, guys. And now let me show you the path up here, guys. See? Now I'm gonna give you another round here. Now this is the West Street, the Hudson, or the West Side Highway. See? And now we're gonna go back in there, guys. See? Through the well, it's like a street, but check it out, guys. Check it out. See, again, the cables, I guess, you see, they're supporting both buildings with those big brackets up there. See, and then they have this brown metallic gate, so it's almost like, I don't know, supporting each other, I guess. I don't know. And now we keep going. And I'm gonna show you the entire path, guys. Check it out, check it out. Nice. Again, I think this belongs to Google though. It belongs to Google because, you know, again, Google left, sanitation right. Check it out, guys, check it out. I'm gonna give you a 360 right now. Let me just get in the middle here, in the middle of, in the center. I'm gonna go really slow, guys. I want you to see that this is my New York. This is my Google. Beautiful, isn't it? This is my New York, my city, my other home. Now, check it out, guys. See? Got that back there. And then you have now we'll keep going, guys. Heading towards coming up at Google Path, Google Route, Washington Street. Again, it is only one block, just like the other ones, guys. So right now, this is the third one that I recorded. So right now, I just recorded Charles Manson Lane, Weehawken Street, New York, not New Jersey, and now we did the Google Route Path. Let me back that up here, guys. Again, this is hidden. It's not even on Google, guys. It's not even there. It is there's a path there, but there's nothing in it. But it's really close, guys. There's no name, nothing. But there's a path, but it's really like, you can hardly see it. And guys, thanks for coming with me on the journey, and I will see you all somewhere in time. Bye.